about to go on our first helicopter date. Yeah.
For your leave. Just let me know if it's cool with you. I know that it's plain to see the way you maneuver, girl. You the flyest. Yes, indeed. Ain't playing no games with you. Can I have your signature? I'm your biggest fan. It's such an honor to be with you.
What's up, Mela gang? It's your girl Mela, and I am back with another video. All right, you guys. So today, me and my boyfriend right here.
So yo.
Y'all, we are on our way right now to go on our first helicopter ride. Woo! So my boyfriend never been on a plane before. So, well, we never experienced anything like this together, and I never been on a helicopter before. So I was like, you know what, this would be perfect for the both of us. Y'all see the drip, y'all see the drip, y'all see it.
Okay.
Yeah, you guys, so I'm sorry if I look a little crazy today because your girl is actually rushing so we can go. I'm actually really excited. We never did this before. You know, I love experiencing new things. I get to experience my first helicopter ride with my baby, so I'm really excited about that. If any of you guys ever went on a helicopter date before, let me know in the comment section how was your experience, how everything went. Y'all know me, I love roller coasters. I love going on a plane, but my boyfriend is not really, you know, like, he don't really F with it so much. So it really caught me by surprise when I mentioned this to him, and he was like, oh, okay, we can do it. I was like, what? This little pimple right here won't let your girl be great, okay? I have like I don't know what's going on, but it's okay. That's about to be us. Place, you guys. So about to go. Y'all, this is where the helicopter is. So yeah, we about to go. So excited. Here we are in the elevator. So excited. You nervous?
Oh, no.
Oh, y'all look. Hello.
We have 3 seats available, 2 in the back, 1 in the front. How would you like to sit?
Close to each other.
Both in the back. So will be both in the back?
Yes.
Okay, nice. So once you guys are inside the helicopter, you know, just pull and click your seatbelt just like a car. Okay. You also be using a headset or microphone so you guys can communicate. Ryan will be narrating the tour for you as well.
Okay.
We're gonna open and close the lock. Wait, there's stuff over here.
Such a great time. Guys, we just did it. It was so much fun.
It was lit.
It was so much fun. Our captain was so nice, you guys. Everybody was so nice. How did you feel? Y'all thought he was gonna be so scared because at first day he was so quiet.
I was quiet. I was just observing. I had to say my prayer real quick.
Click on that notification bell so you guys can, travel with us, upload anything new.
You leave. Just let me know if it's cool with you. I know that it's plain to see the way you maneuver, girl. You the flyest. Yes, indeed. Ain't playing no games with you. Can I have your signature? I'm your biggest fan. It's such an honor to be with you.